This video will show you how to use the course Workload Estimator. First, navigate to your course page and click on Modules. Next, click on TU Course Workload Estimator / Credit Hour Audit. For Step 3, enter your first and last name in the instructor name field under Course Information. In Step 4, enter your course name, for example, Introduction to Biology, in the course title field. Next, enter your course code, such as BIOL 2010, in the course number field. Step 6 is to enter the semester, for example, Summer 2026, in the term/semester field. Now, enter your department or college, such as Physics/CAS, in the department/college field. For course duration, click the drop-down and select 8-week term. Then, select Online Fully Distance as the delivery option. Finally, select the academic level, for example, Undergraduate. You need to add the course activities that apply. Specify the duration or number of questions and frequency. For example, use 8 for activities repeated 8 times or over 8 weeks, 1 for a final exam, and 3 for proctored tests repeated 3 times. If your course includes readings, click on the Reading tab under Activity Builder. Click on +Add Reading to add a new reading assignment. Specify the number of pages for the reading assignment. Select the page density, such as sparse. Next, select the reading purpose, for example, comprehension. Specify the frequency, which is how many times the reading assignment is repeated. If you have video or lecture activities, click on Video/Lecture. Click the designated area to add a video or lecture activity. Specify the duration for the video or lecture. Then, specify the frequency, or weeks repeated, for this activity. Click here to add another video activity if needed. Specify the duration for this additional video activity. If you assign interactive videos, select Interactive Video from the drop-down. Specify the frequency, or weeks repeated, for the interactive video. Repeat these steps for all activities applicable to your course. Once all activities are added, click on Print/Save Audit Report as PDF. Click on Save as PDF. Specify a location or folder on your computer to save the file. Finally, click on Save to complete the process. Thank you. Send additional questions/comments to mntam@tuskegee.edu.